Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. You might have heard these numbers like 100, 101, and 108. These are all the emergency numbers in India. If you want to give some information to the police, we dial 100. If you want to give information or seek services from fire department, we dial 101. Similarly, for ambulance services, emergency services, we dial 108. Now, if you look at these various numbers of respective emergency services, most of the times there is a confusion. For example, see here, so when there is an accident on the road, so we prefer to get the ambulance services first when compared to the police services. But for which number we need to give a call? 108. But 108 sometimes, the services may not be available. Especially in the rural areas we face this problem. At the time, so you need to give a call to 100. But the thing is that when you have different emergency numbers like this, there is always a confusion. For example, if you look at United States of America, there is one common number throughout the country, that is 911. So whether it is fire services, police or ambulance services, so you will be giving a call and from there you will get the immediate response. In the similar manner, in India, the central government has launched a number 112, and this 112 is going to replace 100, 101 and 108. So what are the advantages? So the advantage is one, we are whatever may be, whether it is police, fire or ambulance services, so there is one common number and people will be giving a call and you will be getting the immediate response. For example, see, especially when it comes to ambulance services, in rural areas, the delivery of the services is really, this is sometimes very, very late. But the government is taking every care that with respect to health services, emergency services, the ambulance can reach within 10 minutes in rural areas. If it is in towns, it should be reaching in 8 minutes. Right? So this is how the government is taking the measures, and in certain states, this has already been implemented, and most of the states are trying for this. But because of the technical snags and technical loopholes, so this was not done properly. But now the government is very much committed. Central government has spoken to various states, and in most of the states, in coming 2 months, this common number of 112 is going to come into the picture. So that will be really useful to the people, right? For example, see here, if you are dialing in some states, if you are dialing 100 also, so that is getting diverted to 112, right? 108, again it will go to 112. Fine. So but after 2 months, 2 to 3 months from now, so only one number is coming into picture, that is 112. So this will be applicable for the entire nation. So this is how the technology has to be upgraded. The services that are to be provided to the citizens must be made very easily available. Fine. And kindly spread this number 112 for emergency services, any emergency, maybe police, maybe fire, maybe this ambulance health services. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next class.